Hello everyone, it's Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Say hi, Lulu. So I'm going to do a quick video on something I found out with a previous video that I had done with planting the potatoes. I scraped off the leaf part of the potato from last year. I didn't realize. So I left the green stems on the floor, and Lulu here dug over them, put a lot of soil on top of them, and all of a sudden they started to root. One of them now, it's been about I would say 3 weeks in these peat pots. One of them, but unfortunately had died, looks like last night because it was green yesterday, started growing a little potato. This is the green stem. There was no potato connected to this. This is basically the stem cut off from a potato with no piece of the potato attached or eyes of the potato, and it rooted in the soil and created another little potato. Isn't that amazing? I never knew that you can do cuttings from potato sprouts, that, you know, the green sprouts that come up. That's really awesome. This one's still alive. So we're gonna see what happens if you can pretty much do cuttings of potatoes without the potato itself. So thank you, Lulu, for that. Oh, you're looking at a bug? This pesky little bug. Daddy, I'm gonna get this bug. I'm gonna get it. Where do you think you're going? Daddy, it's coming after me. Okay. Well, that's really cool stuff. I love how I learned everything new. Just what an easy life. Well, like I said, I love to learn something new every day, and gardening is that. So, happy gardening, everyone. Lulu, you want to say bye? Lulu? Whatever. All right, everyone. Happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.